Now this has got to be my favorite makeup remover yet. Hi guys, Tara here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to do a review on Banila Co.'s Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. I am also going to show you the application, how to use this product. And so, if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Hey guys, so now for my review. For the facts, this has 4 kinds. And this also comes in different sizes. For the price, I really forgot how much this is. In Korea, I did not keep the receipt, but I checked it online. So this is how much it is on their website. And if you guys are from the Philippines, I checked, you can also get this through Beauty MNL. Not sponsored, by the way. So, but if you guys know anywhere else we can buy this product here in the Philippines, please do drop a comment down below. All right. And for its claims, so I checked their website. For its claims, it is Korea's #1 makeup cleanser. And it melts into oil upon application and easily dissolves makeup. Yes, leaving no trace behind. Check, it doesn't leave the skin feeling tight and dry, but instead it keeps it soft and supple. I have to agree. Yes, Clean It Zero Original contains an abundant amount of vitamin C and acerola extracts to brighten the skin. It is also upgraded with hot spring water to soothe irritated skin. I'm not sure about that because I haven't tried using this when my skin is irritated. In fact, I only use this product whenever I apply makeup because it is a makeup remover. And it says here that it is recommended for all skin types. Now I have combination to oily skin, and as what I've mentioned, this has got to be my favorite, the best makeup remover yet that I have used. There are so many factors to consider. One of that is my skin type. I have combination to oily, and this works perfectly for my skin. I love it. Leave or love? Love. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Hit the notification bell as well so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. Alright, this is it. Bye!